Good morning, class 4 students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Hope you all are fine and staying well at home with your parents, families. Okay, very good. Now, today here in this video, we are going to do the continuation part of the previous chapter which we have done, the tenses. In that chapter, we have done the present tense. 3 types of tenses were told in that chapter: present, past and future. And in that we have done the present tense, simple present tense and present continuous tense. Now today here we are going to do past tense. In this chapter we are going to study about past tense. Okay? Now what is past tense? Past tense क्या होता है? भूतकाल जिसे कहते हैं हिंदी में, क्या होता है? What is it? Yes, the time which is past, जो खत्म हो चुका है, the time which is over, खत्म हो गया है, भूतकाल, बीत गया है, जो समय चला गया है, it is past. So the work done in that time, past में जो काम किया है, that time is known as past tense. Past tense कहते हैं उसको, जो काम, जो action हमने बीते हुए समय में किया था, that is known as past tense. Okay, let's see now. An action that has already happened in the past. जो काम, action, verb जिसे कहते हैं, action words are verbs. The action that has already happened in the past, जो already past में हो चुका है, finish हो चुका है, that type of action is known as past tense. Simple past tense, इसको हम simple past tense भी कहते हैं. Simple past tense, that action that has already happened in the past is known as past tense. Okay, now there are some changes in the verbs. When we change a verb, main verb, into past tense, there are some changes in the spellings also. ठीक है? Some verbs when we change in the end, they need to use add d, and some spellings need to add ed. Then the verb is changed. Like for example, with the help of example, it will be clear to you. जब हम change करते हैं तो कुछ verbs ऐसी होती हैं जिनकी spellings में भी change होता है. Like for example, walk. Walk is what? Walk is an action. ये एक action है, चलना, walk. ठीक है? Here it is what? Main verb. ठीक है? Main verb है ये. It is in present tense. ठीक? ये कौन से tense में है? Present tense में. अब इसको हमने past में change करना है. We have to change this into past. Then what we will add? We need to add ed. It will become walked. क्या बन जाएगा ये? Walked. ठीक है? ये main verb plus ed. So now this is known as in past tense. Now this verb is changed into past tense. Walk, walked. ठीक है? एक तो ये होता है, this is one. There are some verbs which need only d, simple d to be added. उसमें ed की यूज नहीं होती है. Like for example, close. Close. Again it is here present. Present tense है ये. इसको past में change करना है. So we will add just d, c. यहाँ तक करा, d add कर दिया. So now it has become in past tense. So these are the verbs which get changed when we are changing it from simple present to simple past tense. Okay, so you have to remember the change of the spellings. You have to remember the rules of the spelling changes. There are some words which end in y, जिनके लास्ट में y आता है, y, हरी. ठीक है? इनके लास्ट में y आता है, उसमें क्या चेंज होता है स्पेलिंग में? We need to add ed, but before that one more thing is added. इसको हटाते हैं और इसकी जगह पे I का यूज करते हैं और ed लगाते हैं. तो वो क्या बन जाता है? hurried. Hurried. See, hurried. The word ending in letter Y. The word ending in letter Y. To make it into past tense, we need to remove this, add I and ed. Then it becomes past tense. Like for example, carry. Carry. Again, remove this I, ed. Carried. So these type of changes are must to be made when we are changing a verb from present to past tense. You have to remember them. ठीक है? Verb, only verb. No any other thing is changed. Only verb is changed. Action change होता है time के according. So these things, these type of tenses, these type of words are known as simple past tense. When an action is already happened, it's already done in the past, that type of action is known as in past tense. Okay? Okay, students.